talking now or recording? This guy looks pretty tactical. I think we should move. Yo, screw this, man. What? Oh, what's up? No, he's that way. He's on our team. Yeah, come on. There's guys right here we can take out easily. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now.
Alright, how we should do that?
Yeah, look, we got guys straight ahead. We also got guys 11 o'clock right there. Here, watch it, because they can hit us from over here, probably. Contact. Okay. John's to our left. John's in the woods. We got friendlies in the woods right there.
You got range?
Blaine's got range. Hold on. Ah! Hey! Hey! Okay, there's a lot of guys right there. You want to start shooting at the same time? 3, 2, 1, go. I hit that guy.
The guy on the left right here in front?
Yeah, I don't know if he called it. But I know I hit him. He probably called it. Let me see. I don't know, he's down. He might have... Just make sure no one... Dude, what the heck? Oh, dude, this is bad. Oh god, I'm stuck in the mud. John, are you still up? Alright, good. You see all these guys in front of me? Alright, I got you. If they start running up, yell they're running.
Just yell run for the hills.
Dude, we're getting nailed right now.
Huh?
We're getting nailed. They have good... Yeah, I see him. I won't let him run right here. I think I got one. I heard hit.
Take the D-Draws on the left side of the trophy wall while I run to the next one. Oh, you're gonna go?
Oh, you're gonna get shot, dude. There's too many.
I don't have a whole lot either. I mean, like,
Dude, they've got it. Yo, are you a medic? Yeah, they're moving to the left side on me. Don't let them move up on me, man. I hear them hitting that wall. Dude, keep up. Don't let them. They're getting up on us. Move up, move up, move up. How are you not hitting? Hit! Hit! Hey, we're clear. We're clear. Moving. I think I hit him. Hit! Blaine's the real MVP. Dude, when I get up, we need to push this way. Thank you. Are there anyone in the tower still?
I'll come.
Then go through. Yeah, they're in the second story. Take it down. Caleb, I'm going. John, I'm coming in. I am a friendly.
No, right here. Going down.
Those are not
I
friendlies.
need someone else with me.
John, go up. Go up. We've got Caleb up there. Move. Oh, we have friendlies in here. We have friendlies. Caleb! Caleb, friendly. Who's in the corner? Are you dead? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cameron, check fire. We're
Second story clear.
we have second story.
Check third.
You up there, Caleb? Okay. John, move. Go.
There is someone up there. I saw him already.
I'll go this way, John. Clear, right? Is it clear? Let's start shooting off this. Hey, right there!
Where?
In this building right here.
Usher?
Yeah.
Clear?
Third story's clear.
Go to the usher!
Breach the usher! Do it.
I've been through a lot.
We got guys second story usher. Watch my left. Don't let anyone walk up. Here. Yo, when you get up, we're gonna run to that usher. Alright, I think I'm gonna start moving. Yeah, they're running back, dude. We got this. Alright, start walking. I'll make sure you don't get shot on your way out. Go. Mo! I'm coming! Dude, there's a guy there. Mo! Hey, John. John! You have second story? Alright, I'm coming up. Actually, I'm gonna keep moving. Watch out, we got guys right over here in that Connex box. He was there. John. Mo. Mo, I'm outside. Mo, right here. Mo, right here. Oh, he's dead. You're clear for that corner. Mo, you're clear. There's a guy in this Connex. Dude, I'm blurring up. I can't see. I'm not a medic. I can't see. I can't see well. Mo, I'm coming in. Dude, I'm blurry. Yes, there is. I can't see though, so like, I can't see in the black. I'm all blurred up. The only thing I can see is if they're like running out, big object. Hey, Mo, we've got this. John just went through. We do. Move up. Bro, I'm fogging like crazy. I'm like half blind right now. John? Sorry, I can't see that well.
Bright yellow brake pad over there? That's where the nuke's at. It needs to go into that bunker with the flagpole. There's a little confusion as to where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go in that bunker. Right over there, get it over here.
Dude, I can't really see. I'm just gonna run up and die and then go back. Oh, I can see him now. I can't see, but I can see white tape. He's right up against that bunker. The actual bunker. But there could be a guy on the wall, I haven't, you know. Again, I can't really see that well right now. I think we should move around this way though. There's a lot of open area right here. I can't tell if he's dead, I just see a hat. There's a hat to the right.
Right here doesn't matter. The bomb's right over there.
If we flank around, we can have him go back in.
Let's see if I get shot.
Do you want to? I'll go over there with you. Do you want to?
Alright, I'm looking him up. Let's go.
Is that guy an enemy right there? There's a guy. Go, go.
Not as slow as that tree makes you look. One down.
Go.
Move
Oh!
up, move up.
I can barely see.